Hi, do you want to learn how to grow garlic in your own garden using the ones you bought at the store? Well, continue watching to see some more. So, grab a whole garlic and put it inside your drawer for 2 to 5 days. Keep it in a dark, dry place. Then you will see green shoots sprouting from the garlics inside. Now we're gonna separate the pieces that have sprouted from the ones that have not sprouted yet. And those are the ones we're going to use. We've got this can, this 5-liter water bottle, and I'm gonna cut it right halfway through. Right, that's the first step. Done. Now all we have to do is pour some soil in and plug these in. As you can tell, the garlic has a green shoot and we are ready to rumble. When we put it in the soil, we will have the roots pointing out from here. Yeah, let's go. Okay, the soil is ready. I'm gonna poke some holes because we have how many? 3, 6, 8. So you're gonna poke 8 holes here, but first we must make it wet.